Hi children, good morning to you all. Welcome back to science class. In the last three sessions, we are studied the important concepts about exhaustible sources in the nature. Exhaustible means the things which are limited in the nature. Once we use, they may going to end and they are deflecting in the nature. Such sources are called as exhaustible sources, right? And mainly the exhaustible sources are the coal, petroleum and natural gas. In the previous classes already we are discussed the coal and the petroleum. Today we are going to learn one more new concept, that is the natural gas, right? What is natural gas, how it is formed, and what's the main application of natural gas. So natural gas is also a fossil fuel. It takes more time to form, means millions of years needed to form in the nature, right? Then what's the natural gas? Natural gas is a fossil fuel and it is also a non-renewable resource, right? Means once completed, once and we can't get back. So that is called as a natural resource and fossil fuels also. And natural gas is very important. Why? Because natural gas can be sent transport easily through the pipes. It can transport easily through the pipe. That is why it is very important fossil fuel or important natural resource. And also the natural gas is easily stored at a high pressure. So that is called as a CNG, compressed natural gas. We can store the CNG at high pressure. That is called as a compressed natural gas. Its short form is CNG. And the compressed natural gas is used in the power generation station. Power generation means the production of the electricity, and it is now being used as a fuel for transport vehicles because it's a very clean fuel as well as it is a less polluting. Nowadays we are using many vehicles like fuel also you are using the petrol and the diesel, but they are release more smoke in the sense they are released more carbon dioxide and the carbon monoxide. But the CNG is used as a fuel in the vehicles, so they are released very less polluting as well as the clean fuel. That is why nowadays we are using a CNG as a fuel in heavy vehicles. Already the government buses already using the CNG in the some states. And the great advantage of the CNG is it is used directly. It can be used directly for burning in our houses as well as factories, but where it supplied through the pipes, so the network, that supply of network is available at present in Vadodara in Gujarat, and also at present in New Delhi, means in Delhi also some places already this pipeline network is already exist. So this is the very great advantage of the CNG. The students, natural gas is also used as a starting material for the manufacture of the number of materials like the chemicals and also the fertilizers. So during the number of the chemicals and fertilizers we are using the natural gas. And especially India has a many means a vast reservoirs of natural gas, and especially in India the main places having the reservoirs of the natural gases are Tripura, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, and Krishna and Godavari Delta. In these places of our country or in our country, we have to get the reservoirs of the natural gas. And mainly, at present situation, the many people are using many vehicles in our day-to-day life. So the vehicles are release very harmful gases like the carbon dioxide and the carbon monoxide. So it is a major cause for pollution of our environment. That's why the Indian government means WHO, World Health Organization, has conducted many schemes to prevent the environmental pollution by following some many suggestions and instruction to every citizen in our country. So especially the PCRA, Petroleum Conservation Research Association, given some steps, some suggestions to control or to how to use the natural gas, coal and petroleum in our day-to-day life. So drive at constant and moderate speed if possible. So always drive at the bike at constant and moderate speed, because nowadays some people are using rash driving, high speed. That is why maintain one moderate. And second one is switch off the engine in the traffic, because nowadays the traffic will be very more. It takes nearly 1 hour in the cities. So that is why we have to switch off the engine when we got the traffic. And next is the tire pressure. So ensure the tire pressure. So it also a very important for every citizen for using a bike. And at last, regular maintenance of the vehicle. You know that the engine is very important for every vehicle. So we should get good efficiency of engine, means we have to regular checkup for bike or whatever the vehicles also. So these are the some instructions by the Indian PCRA governmental system. So we have to follow and be safe, and we have to control the pollution of our environment. Thank you.